Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to speak to you about this beautiful succulent, the string of bananas, which was more of a rescue purchase because I saw this plant to be in a very poor state. So I thought I'll take it home and change its soil and give it a good setup. So that is what is the today's video about. So let us start. If you just observe the soil mix that has been used for it, it's a very sloggy type of a soil and absolutely not suitable for a succulent. But when you see it at the nursery, they have it in perfectly good shape, but when you bring it home, in 2 days time its health is like just going downhill, and then you wonder what is happening and you keep watering it thinking that it is the water requirement, but it is not water, but it is the soil that is playing a role which is putting the plant downhill. So here I'm going to tell you about the mixture that I have used and how I have revived this plant, also with today's update of the same plant. So here I picked up each and every cutting that was planted in this soil. I was going to say terrible soil, in this soil, and then I have chopped off those pieces which aren't looking very healthy or may not be able to sustain into a new plant. After a lot of choosing which one will be okay, I have just shortlisted a few ones and I'm going to plant them to show how the growth happens after 2 weeks. The kind of soil that I have used is more of a river sand here because it's a succulent, and also added a lot of vermicompost and perlite. I've hardly used any of the garden soil because I did not have, but then this composition has worked quite well for me and the plant is doing well. So you can say that I have used nearly 60% of river sand, 40% of vermicompost, and a handful of perlite is what I had used. After repotting, I have kept the plant nearly for 4 days in a place where there is no direct sunlight. So here care should be taken about the sunlight requirement immediately after it has been repotted. You cannot give it direct sunlight even though it has established root. After 4 days, I have slowly introduced it to direct sunlight by keeping it in direct sunlight for about 2 to 3 hours. Every day I've done this for the next 4 days. So after that process of introducing it to direct sunlight, I have kept it in full bright direct sunlight and it has survived that phase. Watering I have done thoroughly after repotting these succulents, and after that I have waited for a week's time to rewater it. Having kept in shade, the water requirement does not increase, so I have watered it only after a week's time, and after that every week. This is a very simple and no fuss succulent, often used for hanging baskets. So I thought I will start with hanging baskets of succulent plants. So I introduced this to my garden as a first plant of succulent. This is how my plant is looking today. Also the cuttings that I had done in the white cup of the extra has shown good amount of growth. Here it is, its actual place. So I've captured it in the direct sunlight. I think it requires a little drench of water. That is all friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again.